Okay, I just wanted to point out some quirky things about the gold anodized bolts. I bought these a while ago. I bought them extra long because I chop them down for various applications, and I got a good price on the long ones. The same, they're all the same price back when I bought them. So I cut these down to the lengths I need, depending on what the application is. I use my die cutter, and it's pretty easy to do. But what I want to show you is this piece right here. This is a little decorative piece, and it goes together like this. If I can get that to focus. Anyways, it's got a little recess. It's made to work like that. Now, the Hedge brand bolts, they're not happy with this thing. They don't fit the same. They look the same, but they don't fit. They don't. That ridge does not. It doesn't line up with that ridge. Won't go into the recess. So that limits the use of this thing to only the older style ones that I have on hand. It doesn't like the new Hedge type spiral bolts or the regular bolts. So that's one little quirky thing. The other thing is I have 3 different examples, and they're not interchangeable. I had to buy special clips for these. These are nut clips that clip onto the plastic. These ones right here came with a part that I'm using, a mud guard. They're smaller, and these are the factory ones from Yamaha. And these do not fit these, so I had to buy special clips. So that's hopefully that clears up some of the confusion, because it can be confusing. So this is they call it like a mushroom type. This is what I replaced the ones from the factory, which was this, the clip nut, and that's what I'm running now. This mud guard down here, I replaced the top hardware. I did try the other ones, with the clip nut. They weren't happy. They came with their own clip nuts, a little bit smaller than the factory one. But then I ended up upgrading with these with regular nuts and bolts because I thought it looked better. So hopefully that helps with some of the confusion out there. And good luck and ride safe.